Hello everybody, welcome back. So we're going to put the fenders on it, got the throw cable on it. Meantime, I tightened the chain, got the chain cover back on it. I got the exhaust bolted on, welded up right there, and everything. So, we're good to go. Still got to get them CDI springs though. But, meantime, we're going to put the fenders on. So now I got to remember where everything went. So, this went like this. I don't know, I had to drill holes in it. Yeah. Everybody's like, oh my goodness, you just drilled holes in original fenders that are in actually great condition. Yeah, I know, it hurt. But, you know, you gotta do what you gotta do if you wanna ride. And trust me, I tried not to do it back here and I had to. It was just a big mess. So I drilled it right there. I'm gonna kind of set this up. I feel like this thing needs golden rims like ATC's had. Kinda, you know? But I don't know. I don't like it like this. These bolts actually come out of one of them, you know, bolt kits you can buy like Harbor Freight, cheap bolt kit. I recommend buying one. They're a whole lot weaker than original bolts would be. So, yeah, that's the downside of that. But they're the correct thread for these old Hondas. That's what I like about them. So when I need a bolt, like the fenders, they're the same bolt pattern. Well, thread. They're the same threads, so it's pretty easy to get bolts for it. We cleaned these fenders up. I mean, they're still baked pretty good in spots, but these actually weren't bad. Cleanest set of fenders I've ever seen. Only when people get these, they're horrible. If it wasn't for the rack that was on this thing, these have been ruined. They had a custom rack on it, and I want to put it on this, but I don't know. It's more of a sporty 3-wheeler because 200S. I think that stands for sport. I really don't know. I'm supposed to know all this, but I don't. I'm gonna get the drill out. How to move this. You don't want to tighten it up too tight. Alright. There's one more bolt I gotta do. I have to move the tripod for it. The tripod makes this easy for me. And I hit the toolbox. Out there, Alright, so there we go. So there's the other hole I had to drill right next to the original hole, so yeah. I'm going to have to loosen some of them other bolts up because it's going to try to crack it if I don't. Yeah, I'm having a fight with it. I don't want to crack it. Alright, so, gotta move the fan. I'm gonna have to find what size wrench that is. I think it's gonna be a 10. Not completely used to this toolbox yet, but I'm gonna get used to it because I love it. Top ain't 10. Bottom ain't 10. I don't think. Nope. Well, what size is it then? 11? Yeah, I think this one's gonna be 11. There's an 11. And I might get one of the short midget wrenches. Try not to board y'all halfway depth, because it looks like a pretty good at doing it. Oh crap. Let me just have an 11 on the back. Everything gets harder when you're on camera. For some weird reason. Let's go for it. Probably because I got my tripod in the way. Alright. That. Gotta find my impact driver thing. Well, I lost it. That ain't good. I'll find it later. Well, I kind of need it now. Woo! Alright, everybody. We're going to stop. Where'd it go? Yeah, we're going to stop with this big old spider. Look at that big boy. Oh, goodness. Big spider. He goes back out here, he's going to be a dead spider. I don't like spiders. Kind of scary. You know, he was running from me. He knew it was going to happen. What about crawling my hand the other day? About hurt myself trying to get away from it. Where the crap? There it is. All the way up in there. Put that there. Was I blocking the camera? I think I was. Tighten up the rest of these. Now we're going to do the same thing on the other side. I think the old girl's going to be a pretty good runner since I got the reveal kit. Well, at least hope it will. I'll put it back on the tripod here. Should have stomped that spider while I had the chance. They get big, they mutate. See that thing again, I'm going to stomp it hard, over and over again. Now this other fender, I'm going to do the exact same thing. I get it lined up. Alright. Got one of these bolts that goes through here. this bolt. Right there with it. And I gotta do the back. These fenders are probably the best thing that's on this three-wheeler. And now the motor's pretty good, but still. I recommend for these quarter cable impacts getting the big battery that they come out with. I try not to do that. Bring you around here. I'll do the same thing on the back. Again, sadly. This bolt's longer. So, yeah. It's one of them out of the bolt kit. These is not, I had to make these brackets out of a piece of flat stock. And I actually put a pretty good 90 in it. I put in the vise I got. It's actually a drill press vise, but I still use it as a normal vise. Because our drill press is too big for it, too small I mean. So I normally use it for just a normal vise. I mean, it works pretty good. Better than the one I had. I never had one. Alright. And here's how you put the seat on it. Here's how you put the seat on it. Seats on it. But thanks for watching, y'all. Like and subscribe. There's a ton more videos gonna come out on this three-wheeler. So yeah, like and subscribe to see them. I'll see you next time.